Hey my loves, welcome back. If you're new, hi, my name is Indu. In today's video, we're gonna try the viral Island Girl makeup. It focuses on dewy skin, lots of bronzer, blush. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay, so skin prep is really important for this look. So I'm quickly gonna pop on some eye serum patches. These are infused with aloe vera. So it will hydrate and plump up my under eyes. It will also brighten my under eyes as well. I'm gonna leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then just remove it. And for my lips, I'm gonna use the dip tint lip oils. I have it in the peach flavor, and first of all, I love the flavoring. It does not feel artificial, and I love the tint of it as well. So yeah, I'm quickly gonna just remove the eye patches and then we're gonna get started with the makeup look. I'd say Island Girl makeup is just another name for beachy makeup. We want the base to be dewy but not greasy, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna be using a mattifying primer. It will blur out my pores and absorb all the natural oil from my face. I'm mainly focusing it on my T-zone area. It has got vitamin A and jojoba oil, so it will also not dry out my skin. As you can see, even though it has absorbed all the oil, my skin still has got that natural glow to it. We want the base to be very lightweight, so I'm just going to be using a concealer and going to spot conceal. This concealer is my all-time favorite from Swiss Beauty. It has got the right amount of coverage, blends like a dream, and has got a good shade range as well. Also, make sure the concealer shade that you're choosing matches your skin tone perfectly, because we are just going to be spot concealing. So if you use a concealer shade that's lighter or darker than your skin tone, it's going to look very patchy and create a very uneven looking base. So make sure that it matches your skin tone perfectly. I'm in the shade medium beige and it has got a warm skin tone, a warm undertone, so it looks absolutely natural on my skin tone. Then to set the concealer, I'm using the 2-in-1 Oil Control Compact Powder. It has got a matte and a luminous finish powder. I'm using the luminous one and I'm in the shade Skin Beige. It's a very finely milled and smooth powder. I feel like even dry skin people can use it. Also, it adds a slight coverage as well, which I absolutely love. For my blush and bronzer, I'm using the Take Me Anywhere palette in the shade Day Off. It has got a blush, bronzer, highlighter and eyeshadows. I mean, you are just good to go with this palette, honestly. The bronzer is a medium brown with just the right amount of warmth in it. I feel like it will complement every Indian skin tone. Also, we want to achieve that sun-kissed kind of effect as if I've been on the beach all day, so I'm going a little heavy on the bronzer. And for the blushes, we want to be heavy on the blushes as well, so I mixed both the blushes. By the way, this has got this beautiful sheen to it that adds a beautiful glow from within kind of look. Does not look glittery or chunky, so I absolutely love this palette, honestly. And then to set everything in place, I'm using the matte makeup fixer. It will make sure to melt all the extra powder from our face. For the eyes, I'm again going in with the bronzer, and then what I'm gonna do is I'll just buff it on my crease area. What it will do is it will add a little bit of depth and dimension on my eyes, because we are not going in with any eyeshadows. Then I'm gonna use the highlighter just on my inner corners, and you can instantly see that it's going to highlight and brighten my eyes. Then I'm gonna take this almost charcoal gray shade and I'm going to draw a baby wing. It will just simply enhance my natural eye shape and will look very brightened up. I was very tempted to use these shades, so I quickly swatched it on my wrist as well, and I am not amazed, honestly. These are so pigmented and buttery soft. I just can't wait to try out these. Absolutely love it. Then I quickly curled up my lashes, and for my mascara, I'm using the Precision Thickening Long Lash Mascara. I mean, just look at the difference. This adds so much length and volume to my lashes. It looks like as if I'm wearing false eyelashes. Then I'm gonna take this dark brown shade and I'm going to draw some fake freckles. I feel like it looks very cute with this makeup look. I'm gonna also take this silver glitter shade and very lightly tap it on my lids, because honestly you can never go wrong with glitters. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Hold Me Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Lusty Rusty, and I'm going to be applying a very light layer of that lipstick. And then what I'm gonna do is I'll take the lip liner in the shade Fruit Punch and I'm going to line my lips with it. It's a red lip liner with pink undertone. It almost looks like a raspberry red. Then to finish off my lips, I'm again going in with the lip oil. I really like how the lip oil is, like it's very hydrating. I love the tint it provides, and honestly I really like how the lip combo has turned out. It's very fresh and summery, and overall I really like how the Island Girl makeup look has turned out. I feel like it's very wearable and it's very beginner friendly as well. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. That will mean the absolute world to me, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.